What's happening, boys? It's Ed back again here. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see today, we've got the collar on. We're in the formal dress because we're in the press box today. I'm working again, filming the press conferences for Haters TV. Yes, it's a massive gig. Bruno Lage is not in, so Tony Roberts, I believe it is, will be doing the Wolves press conferences, and Pep Guardiola's press conference, I will be in. Yeah, I'll be in. We're going to be interviewing City fans before the game as well, getting their take on Erling Haaland signing for them. All that good stuff will be in this video. And of course, the game, Wolves versus Manchester City. You know what Wolves do? We love a little victory over Manchester City. We could spice up the title race right now. It's going to be an incredible game. I can't wait. Leave your score predictions down in the comment section below.
Look at this dude. No.
I'm going to go 1-1. Bold prediction, I know, but I'm going to go 1-1. Let me know what you think. Without any further ado, let's get going. Need to find a place to set up outside to interview City fans. We'll see how it goes. It might go badly. Who knows? Look at me out here on interview duties. We've had 2 interviews so far. Good stuff. A couple of people don't want an interview with me. Why not? I don't know. But yeah, the City fans seem pretty ecstatic about signing of Haaland, and let's be honest, who wouldn't be? One of the best strikers in the world, gone to your club. Pretty much Premier League wrapped up for them next season, isn't it? It's going to be a tough game today. City fans, just building. I'm going to do a few more interviews, go around, get into the press box, and eat some scran. Hopefully it's a nice one today. Let's go. Lovely bit of munch. Just editing the videos that I've taken outside the ground now. Send them over, then we'll go out to the game. On the way to the press box now. Let's have it. Big game, massive game. City lead already. Kevin De Bruyne, great finish. More than 4 minutes in, 6 minutes, great finish. Ball play through, unbelievable goal. Flares going off. Not a great start. What a goal, Neto on the break. Square to Neto, left goal. He's done it again, man. 2-1 down. Good God. Like, Kevin De Bruyne is a joke. Best player I've seen at the moment. Oh my God, what a goal. Hat-trick in 20 minutes. Incredible. Wow. 3-1 City. Look at that. Okay, so this was supposed to be my halftime review, but I had accidentally recorded it in slow motion. I've done my best to change it, but it sounds like I've swallowed a crocodile, so yeah, enjoy.
Manchester City, De Bruyne is incredible. Top player, best I've seen in a while. Wolves were quite good going forward, just to the back. City was too good. Hopefully we can get a couple of chances and maybe see a few goals.
Wolves have been the better side for the last 10 minutes or so here. They just need a goal. There's 4, De Bruyne's got all 4. Unbelievable play. They've just capitulated at the back, I think. Ever since that Leeds result, it's not been the same at the back. That 20 minutes of Leeds has ruined Wolves this season. De Bruyne's got all 4. Incredible. Incredible player. I don't even see what happened. Hate to see it. Jack Grealish got the biggest boo of the evening. Martin Atkinson should get it, but Jack Grealish has got it. Listen to this.
Sterling.
5-1 Sterling. Bad to worse for Wolves. Terrible again at the back. Wow. Luke Cundle's coming on instead of Fabio Silva. Fabio's unbelievably fuming. What a terrible night. Terrible night. City 5, Wolves 1. Just too good. Just too good. Let's go and hear what the managers have to say. We're all set up. Press box. That is that, boys. Manchester City 5, Wolverhampton Wanderers 1. Torn apart by an incredible Kevin De Bruyne, incredible Manchester City team that, you know, really did highlight the difference between the top and where Wolves are now. And I mean, we've had a great season. It's curtailed off a little bit towards the end, curtailed off quite a bit, to be fair, towards the end, but we've had a good season overall. There's been lots of promising signs, and we need to invest in the summer to hopefully get into Europe next season. It's not going to happen this season, but Manchester City were unbelievable. Kevin De Bruyne, unbelievable. Best player I've seen at down Molineux, probably ever in my time of being a Wolves season ticket holder. Just unplayable, unbelievable. The way he found space, the way he drifted off our central midfielders and got in between the lines and found pockets of space. Incredible. Just so good. The stuff that you watch on TV, oh, don't get run over. You can't see it on TV, but he's so good. He's so good. Unbelievable player. And that was all that did it for Wolves. If you did enjoy, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you tune in for the next match day vlog of Wolves, which will be the final game of the season, potentially the last time we see some Wolves players in a Wolves shirt. We'll be sad. But yeah, make sure you have a watch. If you did enjoy, leave a like. Who do you think is going to win the league? City or Liverpool? I think City have got it now. But yeah, thanks for watching. Have a very nice rest of your day. Adios.